Man, I've been waiting a month for these headphones to arrive and they are finally here. I can't wait to show you guys. Let's go. What's up everyone? This is your boy Jeff at eljefereviews.
My name is Jeff. It's Jefe, man.
And on my channel, I do gadget unboxings, demos, and tech reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell, and this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. Now, like I said before, I've been waiting for these headphones to arrive for over a month, so I'm super excited to show them to you guys. These here are the Bluedio T5 5th generation. Now you can find these guys on Amazon for around $58.99 right now, or if you want to check out AliExpress for a discount, you can get them for around 43 bucks. Just remember, anything you get on AliExpress comes straight from China, so it could take anywhere from 3 to 5 weeks for them to arrive. And as always, I'll be leaving links to these products right down in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Now, just as an FYI and for full disclosure, I ordered these headphones myself and paid for them with my own money, so just wanted to put that out there for you guys, just to be upfront about everything. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. So here we have them, the Bluedio T5 5th generation. Give you some specs: Bluetooth 4.2, 57mm drivers, standby time 1,000 hours, Bluetooth music talk time about 25 hours. All right, let's go ahead and crack her open. All right, so out of the box, get rid of that. So out of the box, you got the headphones themselves here. Let's go ahead and peel these off. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's the best. All right, so you see that Bluedio in yellow. These are the black on black. Turbine written across the top. So, sorry, I'm showing it to you upside down there. See that? Nice big cushy ear cups here. Very nice. Like that improvement a lot. So what else is in the box here? Right here you have your Type-C to 3.5mm cable. So that's your audio adapter cable in case you want to run them in wired mode. And right here you have your USB-A to USB Type-C for charging in a nice premium flat cable. These cables actually hold up really well. The one that was included with my T4S, still using it, so yeah. And they also include this, it's sort of like a suede carrying pouch, so that's nice. And last but not least, you get the user manual. So it kind of goes through everything, multi-language, as to be expected. All right, and then what we've got here, so right here you've got your play pause button. This one here, that is your multi-function button. Hold that down to power it on or to go ahead and put it into pairing mode. Right there's your LED indicator light. Right here is the built-in microphone for phone calls and such. USB Type-C port, that doubles for charging, and you can also run a Type-C to 3.5mm jack, so you can run these in wired mode as well. And then right here you get your volume up and down rocker. Short press gives you volume, long press gives you backtrack and forward track as well. And then this slider button right here, hear that click, light turns on. That is for active noise canceling. When the green light is on, noise canceling is on. And then one of the other big features on these also is that 90-degree swivel. Makes them nice and easy. You can put them in a case, easy for storage, so not bad. Plus you get plenty of adjustability as well here. See that? Yeah, so it can fit even massive heads like my own. All right, so let's get into some of the pros and cons about the Bluedio T5. So first and foremost, and obviously the most important, is the sound quality. Now, these do not disappoint in that department. You get some great bass, some awesome mids, and some really nice, crisp, clear highs, which is basically what I expected out of Bluedio and their Turbine series headphones. Now, the second thing that's most important to me is video latency and video playback time. Now, thankfully, there is no delay, there is no latency when you're watching videos on YouTube or Netflix or whatever it might be. So that's super important to me. I know some people were having issues on the previous versions. I believe it was the T3 or the original T4s. Seems like they got that all worked out with the T4S, and on these T5s, not an issue. Now they're also running Bluetooth 4.2, so pairing and connectivity is super quick and easy. They paired up with my Galaxy S8 Plus, no problems. And speaking of Bluetooth, they've also got a 25 to 30 foot range, which is perfect. It's about what you can expect out of any Bluetooth headphone of decent quality. Now, comfort is also improved over the previous version. They went with these much larger and cushier ear cups on them, and the previous ones, they sort of sat on top of my ears. These ones sort of go almost completely over my ears. So comfort is definitely better than the previous generation. Now, I do wish they would have added a little extra padding right on the headband like I had suggested in my previous video. They didn't listen to me, but hey, you know, we can't win them all, right? Now, I'm not exactly sure how big the battery is on these, but they do claim to have a 25-hour playback time. Now, I'm not sure if that's with or without the active noise canceling, but 25 hours is pretty good. You know, I was getting that much playback time out of the T4S's, so I wouldn't be surprised if these had anywhere from 25 to 30 hours easily. And one of the other big things that I liked about these, now the ones that you see here, I've got black on black, but they do give you some color options. So you can get them in black and red, as well as black and yellow. So kind of whatever suits your style, you've got 3 different options to go with. And then last but not least, the active noise canceling. I know that's super important to a lot of you guys. So the active noise canceling does work really well on here. It does reduce a lot of the ambient noise, which is really nice. You know, I was testing them out, listening to some music, some audiobooks, and I had TV on in the background, a bunch of things, and it definitely reduced that noise. So it does work, but there is a but to this. And it's also the only drawback that I see to these headphones. Once you turn on that active noise canceling, there is a noticeable reduction in the quality of the sound, mostly in the bass and in some of the mid-range. It does drop out. So say you're listening to music, you know, and you turn on that active noise canceling, you're gonna lose a lot of that low end on the music. So it's not totally gone, but you will notice it, and that's for sure. Now, this is an issue that I've seen with pretty much any active noise canceling headphone that's under $100. So whether it's the Bluedio, Tautronics, Treblab, you know, Cowin's, doesn't matter. All of them have this issue where when you turn on the active noise canceling, you do get some reduction in sound quality. So just to be upfront and clear with you guys, these do have that same issue. Now, for some people, that's a big problem. For me personally, it's not, but say if you're somebody who likes to fly a lot, travel, things like that, where active noise canceling and sound quality are super crucial, you may want to be looking into spending a bit more and getting outside of this budget range. You know, I'm going to be suggesting you guys look at Bose, which are in the 300 plus price range, maybe even some of the high-end Beats with noise canceling, or even some of the really nice Sony ones that are up there. You know, so that's what you would want in that range. But if active noise canceling isn't a huge thing for you, you just need something that's going to work well for movies or for audiobooks and things like that. Maybe you want to tune out the kids or tune out people in your house or your office, then you should definitely check out the Bluedio T5s as far as that goes. So all in all, I highly recommend the Bluedio T5s. These are freaking awesome. Like I said, I am not disappointed at all with them. The comfort is improved, sound quality is really good, and you get the different color options. So yeah, that's definitely a big plus. And these easily rival any of the other, you know, budget brands of noise canceling headphones. You know, especially at 58 bucks, you got a lot of them that are in that, you know, 50, 60, 70, $80 price range. These are gonna be right at the top of that pack. So yeah, definitely, man. I would highly recommend these. If you're in the market for some really solid sound, along with some good noise canceling, then I highly suggest you guys take a look at the Bluedio T5s. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. Let me know what you guys think of the Bluedio T5 down in the comment section. If you guys have any questions, concerns about these headphones, go ahead and leave those down there too, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. And as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's totally cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. And this way you guys never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that being said, I hope everybody has a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video.